Sir, good morning. So we can have a glance. So already we have completed too many things based on that. New CBSE has given that rationalized term one and term two, term wise syllabus divisions, right, sir? Actually, whatever we followed in the last year same syllabus, that is known as rationalized syllabus. Reduced to something based on the condition, and of course we were in pandemic last year also, so somewhere they consider and of course reduce the weightage lessons from the textbook or English core, especially Flamingo and of course Vistas. Then again they re-included when we started the very first beginning, that means 21, that means 21 to 22 your year, and they re-included, that means they mentioned that all the lessons should be completed, all the lessons should be considered for 12th standard examination. But still we are in pandemic, so CBSE considers students health and of course mental health and of course physical health and everything. So again they rationalized, that means whatever we followed in the last year same syllabus again they introduced, that means reduced things reduced, that's why, right? For an example, you can take in your textbook, Flamingo textbook, whatever the lessons reduced, that means deleted. You can go for lesson number 6, poets and pancakes, lesson number 7, the interview, part 1, part 2, and then for lesson number 8, going places. In the poetry part, poetry number 5, A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. Likewise, in our fiction, Vista's textbook, when you are taking that, they have reduced, CBSE has reduced the Tiger King, lesson number 2, Tiger King, and lesson number 3, Journey to the End of the Earth, and then number 8, lesson number 8, Memories of Childhood, The Cutting of My Long Hair, We Are Two Human Beings. So now you can see that what are the things will be taken place for your term 1 examination and term 2 examination, even the weightage. Now you can see that term 1, section A, section B, section C. This is what once we followed, right? I think years back, we can also remember that. Last year, we had a different format. That means you can also remember that. That means section A, I'm sorry, part A, part 1, and part A and part B. And before that, we had the system. That means reading. Section A means reading, and section B means writing, right? Section C means literature. This is what. Again, we have come to the same track. This is what we can also remember that term 1, term 2 means once we followed CCE pattern, continuous and comprehensive evaluation, like CCE pattern, term 1 examination, term 2 examination. That is known as, we can remember that, summative and of course formative examinations. Once we followed small exams, whatever we are conducting in the school level, known as formative examinations, and all the activities will be included. And then in the end of the term, end of the semester, 6 months, we can consider end of the term, we followed summative examinations, questions from CBSE. Term 1 examination from school, CBSE, the school will conduct, and of course summative to like board examination for 10th standard. This is what once we follow. Like first, now we can go for term 1 and term 2 examination and weightage. Now you can see section A, reading comprehensions, 2 passages, as it is unseen passage, you know very well. You know what is the meaning unseen. Before that, we didn't see that. This is the first time we are also sitting and of course having experience. So unseen passage is factual or descriptive or literary or discursive or persuasive. Case-based unseen, factual. That means analysis, like we have to scan the things. We have to scan the passage, line by line. It is like, very deep reading and understanding that, analyzing that. By that only we can answer. So here 14 marks are allocated for that. For first passage, 8 marks, and second passage, 6 marks, totally 14 marks. So before that, 10 plus 10, 20 marks we had. Now the system has been changed, arrangement. So reading comprehension, section A for A, 14 marks, because it is a term, 50 marks examination. So now you can see that section B, creative writing. So we can go for advanced writing skills, whatever we follow. So short writing tasks, you can remember short composition. You can see that notice writing, and advertisements, especially classified advertisements. You can also remember that in the classified, whatever we had. It means, a situation vacant, situation wanted. Likewise, you can go accommodation and then sale for something. all those things, classified or line ads alone, we cannot go far. We don't want to prepare, we don't want to get idea for this display advertisements or commercial advertisements or general advertisements. Only classified advertisements. You know very well. Right, a short writing task, we have to listen, we have to learn in term one, only notice writing and classified advertisements. You are well versed, right? I can swear, I can also promise you are well versed in notice writing and classified advertisements for 3 months. Right, sir. And then letter writing, long writing, long composition and very long composition. Long composition, you can also see that long composition, writing task. One, letter to an editor, giving suggestions or opinion on an issue or public interest, or article writing. You know very well, letter to the editor and of course article writing. So either are. So we know very well. We know the format. We are trained for that. Such as like piece of we can take that. It's like a piece of cake. Easily we can complete and we can also secure the marks. So writing section B writing, creative writing skills, short writing task, notice and classified advertisements, letter to the editor and article writing. So 3 plus 5, total 8 marks. So 14 plus 8 marks. Remember that. Right? Then we can go for section C, literature. Section C, literature. Literary, prose or poetry, exact, C, text, everything, whatever the lessons we have come across, last lessons to Indigo lessons, and of course poetry, we can start My Mother 66 by Kamala Das to, we can go for And Jennifer's Tigers by Aden Rich. So yeah, literary, prose or poetry extracts scene text to assess comprehension and appreciation, analysis, inference and extrapolation. Beyond the limit, beyond the text extrapolation, we have to think, analyze and write. That means justifying the titles. You can also take the enemy. Likewise, right? And Jennifer's Ciphers. Question based on text to assess. Here we can go for comprehension and appreciation, analysis and inference and extrapolation. So for that, 11 marks for Flamingo, 7 marks for Vistas, totally 18 marks. All the things. So here, the third level to on the face of it, or sorry, Evans tries an O level. So here enemy, first one and the third level, then the fourth lesson the enemy, and then fifth lesson should decide hit mommy, and sixth lesson on the face of it, and seventh lesson Evans tries an O level. That means total 5 lessons. For that 7 marks, and 11 marks for Flamingo. That means including poetry and prose lessons. With books, you can take the book Flamingo Prose, the last lesson, Last Spring, Deep Water, only for term 1. So it is very easy. That's why I already told it's like cakewalk. We can take. So we can like as a piece of cake and we can easily complete. So last lesson we know very well. Last spring we know very well. Deep water we know very well. And the plumbing of poetry part, My Mother 66. Oh, very nice. And then an elementary school classroom in Islam and keeping going. That's all 3 plus 3. And book with stars you can see prose. That means fiction, third level, and the enemy. That's all. Out of 5, you can go for 2. That means enemy is a very lengthy lesson. That's why they consider the third level and enemy. That's all. This is for 18 marks. So here 18 plus 8 plus 14, and you can see that total 40 marks. Total 40 marks with ASL 10 marks. Actually 20 marks we prepared. I think we are going to start. I think day after tomorrow or Thursday we will start. Or Friday is a good day, fine day. We can also start that. So ASL, you're all ready for that. You're all right. So for ASL 5 is 5. 5 for listening, 5 for speaking. The same program, but only it is reduced to 5. You understand, sir? We are supposed to conduct for 10 marks speaking. Then we can reduce to 5 marks. Likewise, listening 20 marks, then we reduce to 5 marks. Likewise, 5 plus 5, 10 marks. So grand total 40 plus 10, 50 marks. Likewise, in term 2, now you can see, get an idea. Sir, this is very important. Already we shared in the group. Once again, I will share after the class. You can also get an idea, fix in your mind, familiarize with that. So in the term 1, you don't want to prepare that Indigo and RADRAP and all those things. So term 1 examination, whatever we had conducted a meeting and we made you know everything, likewise, we have to follow. So always remember that not only English, but also all the subjects. You can go for your business studies, you can go for your economics, you can go for your accountancy, you can go for your computer science, you can go for your health and physical education, HPE. For all the term one examination, term one portions and syllabus, we have to follow very strictly. Right, sir? Term 2, you can also see that reading comprehension as it is. Whatever it is in term 1, the same pattern because everything is unseen. 2 passages. So unseen passages, factual or descriptive or literary. Discursive or persuasive. Case-based unseen. Factual passage for 14 marks. Right, and creative writing skills, short writing tasks, formal and informal invitations, cards or replies to invitations. Very important. Already told you that this is something, we can say that unavoidable thing, or it is compulsory question. Compulsory writing task in 12th standard formal, right? We can say that invitations and replies. Invitations and replies are compulsory. So that's why I'm always insisting that. Very important. We will, once again, we will have that. How many times if you ask, no issues for us, we will also teach. Because you need to familiarize with the pattern format. Understanding is very important. You please remember that always. So here you can see short writing task for 3 plus 5. So here formal, informal invitations and long writing, very long, and of course task 1 we have to go for that letter of job application. So application for a job and report writing. So this is what we already insisted, that article and report writing we have given trust. You understand, sir? Speech and debate, we thought that that's why they re-included. Again, they reduced. So no issues. Debate and speech, you are very familiar when you were in 11th standard, right? Now we have to concentrate only on article writing and report writing related to the editor and job application. That's all. Remaining you can ignore, right? Because already you have that experience. Now you can see that. So 5 plus 3, 8 marks. Formal and informal invitations, and then of course, or you can go for invitations and replies. Right, informal invitations and replies, letter of application for a job, report writing. As it is literature, both are equal. Only the things, writing things have been changed. Literature, questions based on extract, text to assess comprehension and appreciation analysis, inference and extrapolation. And as it is 11 marks for Flamingo and 7 marks for Vistas. Books, lessons, you can see that prose, the rat trap and indigo, only 2 lessons. Right, that means term 1, Flamingo lessons 3 and Vistas lesson 2. In term 2, Flamingo lessons 2 and Vistas lessons 3. So balancing the things. Those 5 lessons, 5 lessons, 5 poetry, total 15. We are balancing like that. Now you can see that Flamingo to prose, the rat trap and indigo. Rat trap and indigo. And now you can see the prose poetry part. Poetry part, you can also see poetry part. Poetry part, A Thing of Beauty and Angelifer Tigers. Thing of Beauty and Angelifer Tigers too. So the roadside stand was removed, deleted. Now you can see book Vistas Prose. Should Wizard it, Mummy? You're familiar with that, and on the face of it, and of course even strides and all that. Well and good. So now 11 plus 7, 18 marks, total 40 marks, ASL 10 marks. So 2 terms we have to complete ASL. You're all familiar with ASL, right? So 40 plus 10. This is what your new pattern. Your term-wise examination allocations, weightage allocation. So have you all got an idea, sir? Have you all got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we can go to the next one. Now you're requested to take your Flamingo textbook. Flamingo textbook, the last lesson Alphonse started. You should not say that I forgot everything. I take very first lesson, known as last lesson. Take. Have you all taken, sir? Can I get a reply? Have you all taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it was once I thought. We can remember that. Very important MCQ pattern. So MCQ, CBSE is insisting that completely MCQ. But for us, some consideration, the new pattern we will get from CBSE and we will share with you for your identification and understanding. But very important thing, we have to prepare for MCQs. Whatever it is, you can take even a sentence, even a word, Anything can be an input. You are understanding my language, what I'm trying to convey. From your textbook, your text lessons are your base, your foundation. Based, that is a resource. Based on that, they will frame MCQ questions, objective questions. You understand, sir? First term is completely MCQs, but we have to wait what they consider for English, English core and language papers. What are they considering? Then everything we are waiting for that, and we will also share with you the sample papers for your understanding. So we have to get ready for MCQs. That means subjective. So question number 1 and 2, as it is reading comprehension, passage, everything related to MCQs. And literature also we can go for MCQs. Only in the writing section, what is the format they are going to follow. That's why for that we are waiting. So we have to prepare accordingly, each and everything, all the sentences, all the lessons, text, everything in person you have to. An individual, you have to go through and identify personally and prepare whatever it is possible. You can prepare yourselves, no issues. That means, MCQs questions also you can frame, for that answers also you can frame. That's why I'm always saying that you have to underline, make an important symbol, have a box, and mention something related to MCQs or objective, or your long answers or your short answers, everything I mentioned. You understand, sir? This is what, when we want to succeed, we have to follow the format. Sir, whatever we are teaching, whatever is related to writing section, whatever is for your literature, whatever is for your reading comprehension, reading section, everything only, and only very important to get secure your marks. You understand, sir? You have to get your best marks. That's why we are always insisting, and of course we are trying to inculcate among the students to follow our instructions, because this is not our instructions, this is CBSE's instructions. When we are in we are in an organization, that means, here CBSE, that means we have to follow the pattern formats of CBSE, right, for getting the marks. That is, this is known as current. This is what CBSE is following. So we have to follow. For an example, we have a modern format for writing formal letters. No, I will not follow the formal modern format. Instead, I can go for traditional. You understand, sir? And we are mixing all those things, both modern and of course your traditional. We will marks will be penalized. What is the meaning? Reduced. Will not be given. Either we can go for traditional format. Anyhow, traditional format is obsolete. What is the meaning? That means, out of field, out of focus, like we can say. Now we have a modernized format. That means some new format. We can follow sender address without name, date with a format, and receiver address with definite article. So this is what we have to follow. Subject, make a long story short. We have to follow like that. Now we can take that, whatever it is, we can have a glance and identify that. The last lesson by Alphonse Daudet about the author. Now you can see that 1842, 1897 was a French novelist and short story writer. The last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. I have a close bracket, underline the Franco-Prussian. France and Prussia. Prussia is known as, it's Germany's influence. So here we can take that. So you can Prussia, former German state known as Prussia. So that's why that word was named Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 1871, in which France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck. Was a very great, we can take that, leader. So here France was defeated, very important. You can underline the sentence. France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck. So we can go for passive voice. France was defeated. So here Prussia defeated France, right? So here France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck. By Prussia, led by Bismarck. Bismarck was the great leader. And Prussia then consisted of what's now are the nations of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria. This is what connectivity, tied like, right? Same part. In the story, very important. This is what we have to remember, that in the story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine, that we have to pronounce, you have to have close to bracket and write separately also Alsace. So Alsace and Lorraine, 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 and of course Alsace. Alsace, whatever it is, you can also pronounce, also say SAC, Alsace also. Okay? Have passed into present has, that means submitted. Where submitted means they have taken, that means occupied. So French district in the story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine have passed into present hands, Germans, and read the story to find out what effect this had on life at school. Everything, everything, even in our lifestyle, you can just visit. You can also go to Pondicherry, Puducherry. You can visit. You can get French influence. Like you can also go to even Goa, Daman, likewise. We will get, that means once they had Portuguese and of course even Britain's influence, like everywhere you can go and see that. Likewise, read the story to find out what effect this had on life at school. That means, that means we can consider that linguistic chauvinism. You know what is the meaning chauvinism? Chauvinism means it is like domination. Domination is happening in a school also. That is very important, right? That's why the linguistic chauvinism means மொழியுடைய தாக்கம். அவங்க வந்து கைப்பற்றியதனால் அவங்களுடைய பள்ளிகளில் கூட அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அவங்களுடைய லாங்குவேஜை திணிச்சாங்க. What is the meaning? Forcing, forced to learn German. You understand, sir? Now you can remember all those things. Notice these expressions in the text, infer the meaning from the context. So you can also see in a great dread of. What is the meaning? Great dread of means fear, panic. So threatening, like great dread of. Dread of means great fear. Counted on. What is the meaning? Counted on. Collected. Thumped at the edges. Thumped at the edges in unison. A great puzzle and reproach ourselves with. Reproach means worry, regret. Ourselves with those who missed when I taught. Please concentrate and remember and get an idea. This is it is like scriptures. Whatever we are going to see the three lessons, right? Three lessons and three poems and two lessons from fiction. Like your scriptures, what is the meaning? Scriptures மாதிரி தான் இனிமே line by line underline பண்ணி ரொம்ப சின்சியரா படிக்கணும். You should know everything the characters, otherwise you will miss the concept. 1 mark miss ஆனாலும் உன்னோட mark போயிடும். You understand the 90 minutes, 90, likewise you can think that how many marks they are going to give you, everything we will discuss with you later. Now whatever you missed, no descriptive, you will not get ideas, you will not get compensation mark, it's like consolation marks. If it is wrong, 1 mark will be reduced. If it is right, 1 mark will be increased, added in your marks. So based on the balance and of course the weightage from term 1 and weightage from term 2, balance of result will be for you. Since you are in pandemic, we don't know exactly the school will be reopened or not, or what will happen in the future, whether the third waves will come and affect us. Nobody knows anything. So you have to strengthen, you have to equip yourselves like, this is your pattern, this is what happening nowadays. Based on that, I have to equip, I have to prepare myself for the forthcoming examinations. Everybody, you can also discuss with your friends and strengthen them also, because it is your duty. We need to support in morally and physically, mentally, and of course, here spiritually. So I started, we can start the lesson. We can start. I underline the word the narrator. Here the narrator is little Franz. So I started for school very late that morning and was in a great dread of scolding. Especially M. Hamel had said that he would ask questionnaires. He would ask questionnaires on participles. You underline that participles, you can write that grammar, you can take that French, you can write French language. Hyphen you can write in French grammar. So that's why participles, very well. We have participles also. So he started because without happiness, without interest, because he was already threatened by the questions. Whenever it is, whenever happening, whenever we have, question, doubt, clarifying our question or something test, morning, it's a surprise test or whatever it is, well arranged test, whatever it is, test. Otherwise, we will be asked questions. Will be asked questions means we will have some panic, and of course we will also have some chemical reactions in our body, and we will not be very happy, we will not be normal, right? For an example, how much ever we are educated, how much ever we are experienced, when we are representing ourselves in front of, that means the panel, that means taking part as is an interview. When a candidate is attending an interview, some perspiration, what is the meaning perspiration, or chemical reactions will be happen in that particular interview is body, because we are tempted like that. We are meant. So here I started for school very late that morning and was in a great dread of, you can have a great dread of means great fear of scolding. What is the meaning scolding or beating, And of course, right, rebuking, especially because Mr. Hamel or M. Hamel and French teacher had said that he would ask questionnaires on participles because he didn't know what were the things in participles of French. And I did not know the first word about. That's why this is what the kind of. He was a very lazy fellow. He was a very lazy fellow. And of course, this lesson always insisting that known as procrastination. You know what is the meaning? Procrastination means postponing the things. Always we are postponing. And today's work we are postponing to tomorrow. And tomorrow's work we are postponing to day after tomorrow. Likewise, in the weekend, in the month end, likewise in the term end, we will be having bulk, something, a bulk amount of work. So that's why we will be unable to take care and of course understand. That's why we will be confused. We will be in commotion. How much ever possible, we will do that and we will also leave. So we need a systematic arrangement. We missed that. He missed that. And I did not know the first word about them. For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors means it is like bunk. You know what is the meaning bunk? He wanted to avoid the class. Instead of attending the class, he wanted to run away and spend the days out of doors means instead of spending his days in class, instead of spending his day in his classroom and learning the things, he wanted to go somewhere and enjoy. This is what all the children and of course all the youngsters, those who are always having a system, always having a schedule and learning, writing, speaking, listening, like they wanted to escape. That's why they need weekend or vacation, right? So it was so warm, and he was also explaining that it was so warm, and in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. You know what is the meaning? Prussian soldiers, German soldiers were drilling means taking parading. Parading. They were that means it's like left, right, left, right, left, right, or some additional things. They had a system and they were doing the taking training. Drilling means training. So birds were chirping, that means the very natural scenery, and of course he was able to get the birds chirping at the edge of the woods, in the forest, like trees. So he thought that instead of attending the class, he would go somewhere and enjoy. So it was all much more tempting than the rule for participles. That's why, because of those participles, and of course the grammar rules and regulations of French language, he thought in a way to escape instead of attending the class and getting the scolding and reviewing from M. Hamel. But I had the strength that something, the narrator, because he was the protagonist of this wonderful story, the last lesson. So, but I had the strength to resist, means oppose myself. You understand that? That means somewhere we will also, yeah, whatever we know, we can also go on, right? No issues, man. The scolding we will get, that is our duty, and this is my duty. How to receive such duty, that has to rebuke. You know what is the meaning? Scold. Otherwise, I will receive the beating from him also. No issues. So, but I had the strength to resist. You know what is the meaning? Resist means oppose or manage myself and hurried off to school. Then I ran away to school. Here the narrator is telling that. Who's our narrator? Little friends. So when I passed the town hall, this is the situation. You can also remember your village, your town, and of course the panchayat building, likewise your school's building, likewise everything you can remember that, right? When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. There was something, some arrangement. And always they received the last battles. For the last 2 years, very important you can make. For the last 2 years, how many years? Like for the last years, all the bad news had come from there. The last battles, the draft, and of course the orders of the commanding officers. You understand, sir? How many? Yes, 2 or 4 or 3 or 5. You have to choose two. For the last 2 years, likewise, you have to identify the MCQ, subjective questions from the text. Understand, sir? So here, for the last 2 years, all are bad news. Or you can go for the last 2 years, all are does news had from there. Bad news, the happy news, or the messages. Likewise, options will be there. So for the last 2 years, all are, that means you can remember 1840. I'm sorry, that means here 1870 to 1871. 70 to 71. For the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from that year. Also, they might have, they can also give you 1870 to 1871. That also you can somewhere write for objective. So for the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from, past perfect, had come from V3, COME, V3 come from there. The last battles, they lost the battles. You understand that they got defeated by Prussia. Then the draft, underline the word. You know what is the meaning draft? and of course the planning of the German, the orders of the commanding officers. And I thought to myself while running away to school without stopping, what can be the matter now? You can also, what can be the matter now? Who is the speaker? You understand? Likewise, questions will be arise. You can also, what can be the matter? Who is the speaker? And what is the lesson? Who is the author of the lesson? Who's the narrator? Likewise, you can. So what can be the matter now? Now you can understand that what is the meaning, what can be the matter now in the sense, what was the thing? And of course, he was thinking because too many things last 2 years he came to know through the bulletin boards that was there. It is like a place where they can get their new latest news. It's like seeing a TV channel or radio. Once we had All India Radio, like All India Radio and BBC News. Too many things, right? Then you can also see. Then as I hurried by, as fast as I could go, the blacksmith watcher who was there with his apprentice reading the bulletin, and of course called after me, "Don't go so fast, Bob. You will get your school in plenty." So here he was mentioning that whatever he came experienced. Likewise, you can see. Then as I hurried, he was running. He was running fast by as fast as he could go. That means when he was very quick in his, walking and of course running, the blacksmith, what is the meaning? Blacksmith, and of course the watchman who was there with us apprentice, that some of them, and of course people were around something, they were watching and reading. That is like you might have seen that. I think when you are going for an examination in the bulletin board, you will search your something. Once we had in even the university examinations, you will come to know that there will be a notice board, and of course your examination numbers and your hall numbers, everything will be displayed. We have to go and identify by that we have to follow the footstep, and of course we have to choose or select our search our examination hall, and we can sit and write. Now everything we are arranging, right? It is like spoon feeding. We are all the elementary works we will do, the teachers will do, the school will do, and we are bringing, and of course making you sit in the examination hall. Everything it is like given to your hands. Only you have to write. Now you can see that with the apprentice watcher who was there with the apprentice reading the bulletin board. So they were watching the bulletin board with great bustle. And of course here we can take the maybe surprise, worries. And called me, they called him, "Don't go so fast." That means it is an irony something. So always you are going, so fast and learning the things. But tomorrow you will not get something. So that's all. Today is your last day. So please go, take your rest and go. Don't go so fast, Bub. Bub in the sense boy. You will get you at school soon in plenty of time. That means maximum you have come across. And tomorrow will be a different day for you. Tomorrow will be a different for you. Already you had too many things. Plenty of time here, early enough you had. So I thought he was making fun of me and reached M. Hamill's little garden all out of breath. You can M. Hamill's little garden, right? You can make M. Hamill's little garden is known as classroom. So little garden meant as you can write school, and especially M. Hamill's classroom. So I thought he was making. So here blacksmith and watch are they thoughts, right? So here you can see that I thought he was making fun of me and reached M. Hamill's little garden all out of breath in the sense. And of course, when we are hurry and in the sense when we are running so fast, right? And reaching the school, we will also show that even the inhaling and exhaling some some rapid activities like and மூச்சு வாங்கிட்டு இருப்போம் இல்லையா. Likewise, he came and he saw that usually when school began, and he was for the readers understanding very clearly our little friends explaining the context. Usually when school began, there was a great bustle, underline the word bustle in the sense exciting activity, excited activities or noisy situation or some hurry activity. You can also take that. Some quick activities. Very you can also remember that is known as rush hour. You know what is the meaning? Rush hour means that means 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, like evening 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. When you are seeing that, and workers and employees and students and teachers, all that means the whole world will be very busy, rushing out. That's why that is known as rush hour. Rush hour. So great bustle when the school is getting started. So usually when the school began, there was a great bustle which would be heard out in the street. So we might have experienced when you are crossing that. That's why I have already given you a very good example. Primary the class, primary classes when you're visiting, or when you are, that is next to the way, in the sense, the path or road, you might have heard that. That means, that it is like reciting the rhymes or reciting alphabet. Likewise, all the children will follow. That's why here he was mentioning that, which could be heard out in the street, means all the teachers are arranging the tables, and of course the students will arrange the table. Likewise, all the arrangements will be there, so it would be heard. That's why here he was mentioning that usually when the school began, there was a great bustle, which could be heard out in the street, the opening and closing desk. This is what I mentioned. Even the footsteps, right? So the opening and the closing of desk, lessons repeated in unison. Underline the word. You know what is the meaning unison? Already told you, it's simultaneously. That means continuously. For an example, when the teacher is saying and the students will repeating. You understand that the students will be repeating, or the students will repeat when the teacher is reciting. You know what is the meaning? Like, you can Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Then they will also in chorus, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa. Or any rhymes you can take. Any rhymes. Likewise, maximum when the higher classes, when you are completing, passing, and of course, and seeing higher classes, class number 9 or 10 or 12, they will also sometimes in chorus will give the answers. The teachers have the practices. So the opening and closing the lessons is repeated in unison, very loud, with our hands, the hands over our ears to understand better from the street. And the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. It is like that was. So we already heard that, right? Some teachers had already, and of course, nowadays it is restricted. But anyhow, some teachers are having in their hands to explain the things, and of course, it is like indicating the things whatever he has written on the board. So here, but now it was also still, you can underline. But now it was also still. What is the lesson's name? The author's name. What is the meaning still? Motionless, right? Likewise, we can take MCQs right here, but now it was also still means motionless. Nothing happened, nothing heard. I had counted on the commotion. Underline the word. What is the meaning? Counted on means that means relied or depended upon. So he came, and of course with great bustle, and of course he was standing in front of Mr. M. Hamill's classroom, and he was unable to understand the concept. That's why I had counted on, relied upon, or depended upon the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. So he wanted to enter the classroom without being seen, especially by Mr. M. Hamill. But of course, that day, everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. Something was different, but he was in his own problem, in own commotion, and he wanted to enter the classroom without being, seen by Mr. M. Hamill. But while looking at all those things inside the classroom, and of course, there was Mr. M. Hamill. He was standing in front of the children. Students were also sitting. When he was just having a look on the classroom, he came to know that everything was somewhat different. And as Sunday morning, what is the meaning Sunday morning? Sunday morning means it's maybe a holiday. So that day, everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places. Everybody was settled, of course, seated. And M. Hamill walking up and down with this terrible iron roller under his arm. So he was also restless. What is the meaning restless? He was not very calm. He was not quite, somewhat desperation, while we can understand it while seeing him. He was not normal. You understand, sir? Someone has, when heard some bad news from their home, something from hospital, already their relatives hospitalized, family members hospitalized, after speaking with through phone, there will be something, like, so they will be showing the perspiration, means swearing, and of course they will not be normal. They will somewhere swearing. Likewise, while looking at them, I saw my classmates already in their places, and then Hamel walking up and down, means it was not normal. With his terrible, what is the meaning? Terrible, very dangerous iron roller and his arm. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how I blushed, and how I frightened I was, means as the student, that you can understand that when there is a hall, there is a program is taking place, you have to get permission and go, and of course you have to sit in your place. When you're asking, when you're knocking the door and asking excuse, you will be looked by everybody in the hall. Just imagine that. This is what he mentioned, that I had to open the door because he was late. He had to open the door and go in before everybody. You could imagine how he blushed. That means, becoming reddish. That means, அப்படி கண்ணம் சிவந்து போறது. And how frightened he was. That we can understand, because since we are all students, we can also understand. But nothing happened when I approached. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, go to your place quickly. This is also very nice. Go to your place very quickly, little friends. Who's the speaker? Right? What is the mood? What is the sense of this? Likewise, who's the author? Who's the, what is the lesson? You can make it. So go to your place quickly, little friends. We are beginning without you. This is what something different. Already told you something different. So here I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. So it is like we can remember that we can also compare with this thing with for an example, we are starving. We have been starving for 2 to 3 days, right? And you are going to break your starving. That means, break your fasting. You are getting, biryani. Or what is your favorite dish? How will be happy? How will be? So I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. I was very happy. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright, underline over my fright in the sense some fear. And of course, anyhow, he was threatened. He was feared. So when I had got a little over my fright, that I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat is frilled. What is the meaning? Frill means embroiderer, and of course, your beautiful green coat and here frilled shirt. So frilled shirt means your embroidered one, and the little black silk cap. This is, you can see that little and the little black silk cap, all embroidered, that he never wore except on inspection and price these. Something more than that, besides, in addition to, you can also say that besides, in addition to, the whole school seemed so strange. What is the meaning strange? Different. And solemn, underline solemn means little serious. The whole school seemed so strange. That means when there is a calm, when there is a peace, when there is silence. When everybody is silent, you will be getting some different strange experience when you are. Likewise, when he was looking at that, besides the whole school seemed so strange and solemn, but the thing that surprised to him most was to see on the back benches that were always empty are the village people sitting quietly like ourselves, like students ourselves, hold the hostel, those who provided selected for the, so that means like Panchayat தலைவர். So all the hostel with this three cornered hat, you can see that image also, and you can see with this three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several others besides. Everybody looked sad. That's why I mentioned that the whole school looked somewhat, maybe strange and solemn. Solemn means seriousness. So everybody looked sad, and Hossa had brought an old primer. Old primer means old book where he was having his education. He just bought, and of course he has been, following that, keeping that. So for primer, thumbed at the edges means the edge that was somewhat damaged, and of course torn pages. So here thumbed at the edges, and he held it open and on his knees, like reading the scriptures with his great spectacles lying across the pages, and he was reading that. He was reading with very content. Right? After that we can stop, and tomorrow we will pursue.